Joel Greenberg, who Matt Gaetz reportedly called his wingman, formally pleading guilty to 6 federal charges, including admitting that he knowingly solicited and paid an underage girl for sex. Greenberg also pledging in court to cooperate in a wide-ranging federal probe, which includes examining whether Congressman Gaetz had sex with an underage girl as well. Greenberg's lawyer, who previously suggested Gaetz should be worried about a plea deal, sharing this ominous warning.
Does my client have information that could hurt an elected official? I guess this is just, must-see television. You'll just have to wait and see.
All right, Paula Reed is out front. And Paula, you were in the courtroom today. What did you see, and what does this all mean now for Gaetz?
Aaron, what was so remarkable in the courthouse today is seeing Greenberg, this man who had bragged about spending tens of thousands of dollars on prostitutes, who attended these drug-fueled sex parties. He was there. He's been behind bars. He was in a prison jumpsuit, and he was restrained throughout the hearing. He had to sign his forms with handcuffs on. He had a big chain around his waist, and that's how it's going to be for him for likely about a decade. He was pretty quiet as he whispered yes or no to the judge as he pleaded guilty to a series of charges, not only sex trafficking involving a minor, but also counts of identity theft, fraud, conspiracy, and stalking. But one of the most important admissions that he has made is that he not only had sex with a minor, but that he also introduced this child to other adult men who also paid her for sex. And that's the big question. Who were these other men? And has he implicated Congressman Matt Gaetz? Now, Greenberg's lawyer there, he would not reveal what his client has said to investigators. But it's notable that Gaetz's PR team has really shifted its strategy. Now, in addition to denying any allegations, they're also attacking Joel Greenberg's credibility. And that is reasonable. Joel Greenberg is now an admitted felon. One of the things he admitted to today is falsely accusing a teacher who challenged him for his county tax collector seat. He falsely accused that teacher of being a pedophile. So the Gaetz team is really seizing on Joel Greenberg's credibility. But Aaron, we know from our sources that the investigators are not solely relying on the word of Joel Greenberg. We know they have hundreds of documents. They have other witnesses. They're looking at all of these different things as they assess whether they have enough evidence to charge the congressman.
All right, Paula, thank you very much. And such a crucial point that she makes, right? Greenberg will have a story, and he may be a person to tell that story, perhaps, to a judge or a jury. But anything that he says, they will have completely backed up through documentation for the reasons she just laid out. CNN legal analyst and former federal prosecutor Laura Coach joins me now. So, Laura, Joel Greenberg's lawyer, does my client have information that could hurt an elected official? I guess this is must-see television. You'll just have to wait and see. I would call that a threat to Congressman Gaetz.
It was. It's really a shot across the bow, but it also could be a little bit of puffery, a little bit of chest beating here, because remember, you don't just go from 30-something charges down to 6 unless you've been able to be a substantial assistance to the federal government in the prosecution in this sense. And so there might be just a note for this attorney to make sure that the prosecutors, who ultimately will have to be in the position to say what sort of sentence this person will have, to say, look, he really is this valuable. Keep him as a cooperator. He will be of assistance to you, reminding the prosecutors, as much as the people who might also be on the hook down the line, to say he's really that important, and a little puffery can go a long way.